Now, children, today we are going to start with chapter number 8, that is soil of Bharat. So, all living things on the earth, including human beings, depend on soil for food. Soil is one of the most important natural resources. It is formed by breaking up of large pieces of rock into smaller due to the action of natural resources. Right? So, the formation and quality of soil depends upon the land and climate. Soil is formed over thousands of years. The broken pieces of rocks are carried away by the agents, right, of nature like running water and wind. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth crust. Its thickness and fertility vary from place to place. It is blessed with different types of soil. Now the plains and deltas of river in the South Bharat are very fertile. So soil is nature's water filter. Healthy topsoil can reduce concentration of many pesticides and drainage by water. Types of soil. First is alluvial soil. सबसे ज़्यादा fertile होती है. River coming from Himalayas and the Deccan Plateau bring large amount of broken rock material, the sand or silt. This material is deposited on the river bank. The soft and the light material is called alluvial soil. It is very fertile for growing variety of crop. The main crop grown is rice, wheat, sugarcane, jute and pulse. Next is black soil. It is the land of northwestern part of Deccan Plateau. Rocky है, uneven है, made up of lava rock. The rock is deep inside the surface of earth, very hot and remain mostly in molten state. On cooling forms a lava rock. The soil is formed by the lava rock. Is generally black in color. इसको हम black soil कहते हैं. Sugarcane, wheat, millet and cotton are grown. Black soil is also known as black cotton soil. Red soil. In the rest of the Deccan Plateau, the soil is less fertile and reddish. Color is due to presence of iron, which is not very fertile. It is also called laterite soil. Mostly groundnut and millets are grown here. Then we have sandy soil or desert soil. Infertile due to lack of nitrogen and humus. Crops such as wheat, gram, cotton, millet, dates, groups can be grown. Right, the soil in the desert area where it is found in Rajasthan. और कैसी soil होती है? Sandy soil होती है. Mountain soil, hill slopes पे देखने को मिलेगी. In coarse with big pieces of stone. Fine rocks particles are washed away by the rain. The soil is useful for planting fruits, trees. Fruit farms are orchards. The slopes are cut into terraces. जिससे आप क्या कर सकते हो? Rice and maize grow कर. Soil erosion. The large variety of soil helps us to grow many crops in Bharat. Here the soils are not fertile and we add manures and fertilizer to make them fit for growing crop. So now farmers have learned to look after the soil and grow more crop to need the country. The process of carrying away the fertile layer of soil by natural agents, running water and wood. इनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Soil erosion. Next is soil conservation. Cutting down of trees should be controlled. Many more trees should be planted, especially along the hill slopes. Trees should always be under some crop or grasses. Dams and reservoirs should be made across the way. Right, this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.